Hi everyone, Billy here with Tradewinds Travel. Today we're touring a mini suite on the Discovery Princess, and I'll show you exactly what you get, what you don't, and whether it's worth it. So let's step inside. Right as you walk in, you've got the two beds set up. This can be combined into a queen, but this is the standard twin configuration. Clean, modern, and comfortable with plenty of walking space around the beds. Next is the sitting area. This is what makes it a mini suite. You get a couch and small table, which adds nice extra living space. But one important note, there are no drawers for clothes in this cabin. The balcony is a great size with 2 chairs and a small table, perfect for morning coffee or watching sail away. Simple, but very nice. Here's the closet, and this is the only real storage space for clothing. You've got hanging space and shelves, but no extra drawers elsewhere in the cabin, so pack smart. The bathroom is typical cruise ship style, compact and functional, with a tub and shower combination and a curtain, not a glass door. So that's the Discovery Princess Mini Suite. At the end of the day, this cabin really comes down to how you cruise. If you like extra living space and a little breathing room, this could be a great upgrade. If you're barely in your cabin and just need a place to sleep, a standard balcony might be all you need. Hopefully, this helped you decide. And if you're ready to book your cruise, make sure you book your cruise with Tradewinds Travel. We'll help you choose the right cabin category, find the best pricing, and make the whole process simple. And if you've enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more cruise tours and honest reviews, and let me know in the comments, would you book a mini suite? Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.